Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here guys with breaking news once again, and today the upcoming drone from DJI, we just got the controller. We have an image that just got leaked and we have all of this information for all of you in today's video. And I mean, this is something very exciting and you don't want to miss on it. So make sure you watch today's video so you can learn everything you need to know about DJI's upcoming drone. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you guys want to participate in our next giveaway. And how big the prize is, well, it will be defined by how much of your support we get. So if we get little to no support, we'll probably do a little giveaway. We'll give out some accessories, probably some ND filters, a landing pad. But if we get the support we got a couple months back, well, we might even go ahead and give away another drone. That's right guys. So if you guys want to participate, make sure that you subscribe to show me that you guys want to see another giveaway here in the channel. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. Today's news are coming from OSITA-LB, once again, a very reliable source for years now, and he's always been the provider for all of DJI leaks. And well, remember that drone that we talked about here in the channel that got leaked a couple weeks ago now? This drone right here on screen, the very anticipated DJI FPV drone that was supposed to come out in October of this year, but the release date got pushed back a little bit. Okay, well, today we just got the controller leaked. That's right, we got an image that just got leaked by OSITA-LB, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and share his Twitter right here on screen. And I mean, these news are fresh out of the oven. This is something that just came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this news with all of you. So the tweet says the following: the future belongs to digital transmitter. Okay, and then we have what says the following: the iconic concrete color on the RC, very DJI style. So tell me, is it the next generation of DJI FPV suit? Well, I'm pretty positive guys, this will be the next controller for the DJI FPV drone. Okay, so the first thing that we see is the color. It's the same color controller that we find on the Mavic Air 2, which is this nice gray color, and then on the same color that we find on the Minis 2 controller. Okay, so I mean, this is something very interesting because we do see something that could lead us to believe that this is actually the drone. So this drone's controller. So the first thing that we see is the following: we see that it has a kind of like a PlayStation feel to it. Okay, we like that, and we do see that it has the typical DJI style stick holder. So right here under the joystick, right here where you hold it, we see that it has those stick holders. Okay, so that's very interesting. We know that is there. We also see that it looks to be like we have a USB-C port. Okay, looking at the controller at the front, we can see that the controller sticks have a lanyard hole. Okay, so we see there's a place for us to have our lanyard, so we can actually have our lanyard connected to our controller. So that's nice little feature. And we also can see that next to that lanyard holder on the left and on the right side, we have like what looks to be like a C1 and a C2 buttons. Okay, so this is very interesting, and we also get to see that antenna with that T shape. Okay, and that's very interesting. And we also see that the person who is holding the controller is wearing DJI's FPV system, the goggles. He's wearing that, and then in conjunction with that controller. So it's likely that the new DJI FPV drone will be controlled with the controller, and then you're gonna have to buy those FPV goggles in order to use it. So that's my assumptions at the moment. This looks very promising, very DJI style, and I mean, I think this is the controller that could very well be what will come with the next generation FPV drone from DJI. I'm so excited to see this drone come out, something that we really haven't seen yet, and I think what we're gonna be seeing from DJI is going to be a hybrid drone. I don't think it's gonna be a full-blown racer drone, I don't think so, but also not a cinematography drone. I think this is going to be a mix of both worlds, and we're gonna have the best features from both worlds. And I think this is going to be a really great idea from DJI, and I think it will have a great success. So that's all the information that we have at the moment. The controller for the new DJI FPV drone has been leaked. We should be getting more leaks on the upcoming days or weeks. So as soon as that comes out, we're gonna keep you guys updated here in the channel. That's all that we have for you today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video here on the channel. Drone Emotion, signing out.